Around the world, building and infrastructure industry innovators are adopting a building information modeling, or BIM process, to help deliver their projects more efficiently in multiple areas, including time, costs and resources.
BIM offers us the opportunity to develop a huge program of improvements to Gatwick Airport, the world's busiest runway, single runway operation, the second busiest airport in the UK, without creating a massive disruption to our operation. It allows us to integrate all our projects together, see where the interfaces are, and still deliver the absolutely world-class facilities for our customers.
Using a BIM process gives the Gatwick Airport construction team the ability to communicate with more project stakeholders and get their projects completed on time and within budget.
What we can do with BIM is that we can take the models from the design stage and move them through into the more rendered or more artistically appealing, so that people get a better impression of what we're going to do before we actually do it. For example, our passengers with reduced mobility may be able to say no. If you put that in that particular place, it will disable people. They won't be able to move through the airport as easily as they can. And by actually building the objects we're going to create virtually, we can change things without huge cost and impact to the program.
Andrew Codd, a BIM transformation manager from Bechtel, works on site with the Gatwick team and is a strong advocate for BIM and easily cites the many benefits of BIM adoption.
We can then look at our work processes and quickly align those BIM requirements and BIM deliverables to delivering against that. That makes us a very powerful business because we can then see tangible benefits from the BIM because those are engaging with our stakeholders at an early time. Certainly, especially in the operational businesses that are carried out at the airport.
The Gatwick team now mandates that BIM and Autodesk products be used on all of the capital investment projects that are more than £1 million.
I have run a program similar size without BIM before, and as we started the beginning of our program, we certainly didn't have the degree of collaboration. Mistakes get made, things clash, people try and thread ductwork through walkways. We end up with not being able to walk down the walkway because the ductwork's in the way. You can do that in the BIM model and immediately see there's a problem.
With BIM adoption firmly in place and their projects well on the way to successful completion, the Gatwick team credits their partnership with Autodesk as a critical component in their progress.
Autodesk are instrumental in providing cutting-edge technology that helps us to get ideas and concepts and new work practices together, but also standard applications and processes that we can apply to our construction processes today that simply make that more efficient. We're looking really at less rework in the field, less rework during design.
With the adoption of the BIM process and Autodesk technology, the airport is on track to complete more than 250 projects by the end of 2014, modernizing the airport without disrupting the service they provide to more than 34 million people per year.